Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Permission to Dance MV. Yeah, I saw the trailer in which Sugar was coming and there's a blue hair and I all the denim cowboy clothes. Yeah, I was really excited to see what we were going to get on Army's birthday, that is 9th July. So I am pretty excited for all this. Like, okay, oh my god, like, okay, this is the trailer was itself like it's with Taehyung's voice. Like, okay, so let's start the reaction to this one because it's going to be really good because the music in it was really good. In the trailer itself, it was really good. So now I can see the whole MV. So let's start the reaction to this one. Okay, it's a long song. It's like 5 minutes song. Okay, so let's start the reaction to this. I'm loving the thumbnail. Okay, big hit music. Okay, okay, it's starting with butter again. That's okay. Okay, let's start. Oh, she's looking there. Okay, we get to see the sky. Nice. Oh, purple balloon.
It's the thought of being young when your heart just like a drum,
Okay.
beating louder with nowhere to guard it.
The way Jungkook did that with the music, that was really nice. The whole start of the song is really good. Jungkook's voice, did you hear it? It's like you're talking. Always Ed Sheeran songs, like they are like that only, which I love actually. So Ed Sheeran is the one who wrote it for them, and I was like really wanting to see them together. There's what they created is like okay, and I can see this is good. Like I thought at first that he was wearing an iPad, but actually it's hair. Jungkook is looking really good in black, like okay, black denim. That was not what was in the trailer, but here it's like okay, I want to see more. Like okay.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along
else,
to Elton John, into that feeling we're just getting started.
Oh my god, this is. Look at the hair. Oh my god, Namjoon, the hair. When did he do? Okay, it was not in the pictures or anywhere. So I was like, okay, this is good, man. Did you notice that in the trailer? No, I did not. Okay, and look at just his voice when he sings. I just love
When
it.
it all
Like,
seems
okay,
like
he
it's
did
wrong,
that in
sing
Sing
along
too.
to
When
Elton
he
John,
sang that
into that
song, he's not
feeling we're
rapping,
just getting
he's
started.
singing. And this is just you can hear that again. You can repeat it. You can go back and just repeat that part, and you will love this. Like that's kind of thing.
When the nights get cold,
Okay.
and the rhythm's got you falling behind.
The way he just threw the magazine and it's like when the rhythm gets falling behind. The lyrics of this song is so good, man. Like, and their voices with that is just incredible.
Just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we
Okay,
move.
this is going to be real good. It's like the dance song. Okay, it's like I want to dance. Obviously, it's going to be dance. It is in the title, permission to dance. Like nothing can stop us from moving. Like we don't need permission to dance. Now I actually get it. Okay.
Let's make a
Okay.
place and live just like
Ah,
we
there is good. My God. Do you see the choreography is so simple here, but it is so fun to watch. Look at that. Look at here, the center is what I wanted. Like the wait is over, we're getting this. Like look at the background and whole setting, and I love their clothes. Oh my god, like and roll like dancing fools. Okay, this is okay, I'm just loving the song.
We don't need to worry.
Oh my god.
When we fall, we know how to dance.
Oh, that's nice.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk.
Okay, this is so good, man. The way they said that we don't need to worry, that we can get back up, that kind of thing. Okay, this is just And we are seeing other people also. I think they are representing army over, but I think because I saw lots of people here in the they're going to their work or something at the time of COVID with the masks on. Okay, so this is okay. Now we get that. Don't need to talk the talk. Just walk the walk. The way it, the music, the way they sing it, it's just I love the rhythm actually. The way it's going with the music, and then the RM just came, and then they're like looking at him like with again one after the other. Like first Sugar with blue hair. I just love that. Okay, and then there's Tay, and then JK. I loved his hair. Like it was like his hairstyle is really nice. I just love it. Okay, now we're seeing Jin. Okay, Jin with the shades. Okay.
'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
The way he said that, I love that when he does it with the glasses, man. Like, just the little things they do, okay. Because we don't need permission to dance. Okay, now J-Hope. Oh my god, the blonde J-Hope is just, okay. There's always something that's standing.
There's always something
I
to
love the
stand
purple
in
balloons.
the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to break just with the right.
Oh my god, I just love this. That they don't want us to be faced by whatever difficulties that is coming in our way. That is really nice, and I just love the outfit. J-Hope, like, oh my god, did you see the winked J-Hope did? Okay, and then there's soap. Soap, you're getting soap now. Okay, nice. Dance.
Cause
Okay.
there's no
Okay, I just love this part when they did that with the movement, like okay, together. And there's no looking back. Now we can see. Just like
there's
camera.
no one to prove we don't got this on
I just love Sugar singing like here. Oh my god, we don't got this on lock. Okay, nice. Because and then JK coming from behind like that. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever.
the way this over.
Oh my, okay, it
Time
is
is
in
now,
there.
so let's do it right.
Okay. Oh, I love their outfits here. Like, okay, the cowboy thing is really nice to see. Okay, with the hats, and I just love JK's outfit here and Tay, and then Jimin. It's like Macneyland is killing us. Okay,
Yeah, we're kept
look at them all. Okay, so they were working and dancing too. They're enjoying too, even after doing all this. Okay, like
up until we see the sun.
stay up until we see the sunrise. It's really sweet. I just saw, I kind of noticed that every age group I saw a little bit here. Even I just saying, maybe it's like that.
Up until we see
Oh,
the
did you see
sun.
that? Did you see that with the music? Okay, this is really good, man. Okay, love this.
Just got me going and
Okay,
open.
voice.
Guess up how we move. Let's break up.
Yeah, I saw it.
Leave just like we're golden.
It's really nice that let's break our plans and live as if we are golden. Like, even though you are working all the time, but you need to get a break for yourself and have some fun. Even at this time, they're saying that's really nice. And live just like we're golden. Like they're having fun.
Like we're dancing for.
See all age groups. I said it.
We don't need to worry.
Okay, this I was right. All the age groups were there and they were dancing too. This is nice because they don't need permission to dance, right? Okay, I love JK, man. What is he doing? Wow, this is the coolest thing ever. Let's see. Whoa. Did you see the 360 twirl? I just love when JK does that. Like he is so clean and his voice. Whenever you don't need to worry comes, I just love that part. Okay, okay here. Okay, okay. Tonight.
Cause we
Okay.
don't need permission to dance.
Did you see that? Oh my god, the la 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 is replaced by da na 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 na. Okay, this is so good, man. I'm just loving that they're dancing in the office because that doesn't happen, but this is so fun to see. I mean, in the MV.
Don't need permission to
When he dance, oh god, when JK sings that, I just he bias strikes me here, like what? He is doing that here in this MV. Na, Jimin again, solo Jimin for some time. Okay, I loved it when he did it in Dynamite also, when he just came like that in a slow way, and here also he's doing that. Okay, I just love that. Let me show ya. Okay,
That we can keep the fire
fire
alive.
alive. Okay, okay.
Cause it's not over till the summer say one more time.
Oh my god, the way he sings, like he again, my god, why, is everybody biased like Ranga? Like his voice, can you just appreciate his voice here? Like, oh my god, I just love the women there with the kids also. This is just great. Every single army, because they have such a wide fan base, and from the kids to older people, but here they showed every single person dancing to their music, because we don't need permission to dance to their music, which is awesome. Oh my god.
I wanna dance,
I wanna
the
dance.
music's got me going, nothing I can stop how we move. Let's break our plans and
Just love this part, man. I think they have backup dancers also here, or maybe those are the people which were in the MV. What is this, man?
live just like we're golden and growing like we're
Did you
dancing.
see that? Oh my god, did you see JK do that? Okay, that is so good, man. I just love their outfits here. This is the outfits which they showed in the trailer, the denim outfits, and I just love it. And the way they are saying that we are gonna roll like we are dancing fools in their song is really nice, man. Okay, I just love that they did that for the army. They gave that song this masterpiece on that day. Like, wow.
Back in dancing fool. We don't need to worry. Just when we fall, we know how to let
Oh my god. I just love this part, because when they said we don't need to worry, even when we fall, we'll get back up. For the COVID situation, they did that with the mask getting off at this time, which is really nice. Like, if we will get back up from this, that's what they're saying. It's really nice. Okay, I love this move also, when we talk the talk, we walk the walk. Like, this is the cutest move on the choreography, I think. I just love Shiva. This is da-na-na-na-na. Oh god, I just love this part, man. Okay, because
We don't need permission to dance.
I just love this part when they did that. Does this mean anything? The choreography, I don't know, but it looks really sweet. I don't know why. Maybe it means something. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. This part of the choreography is really sweet, cute. I can say.
We don't need permission to dance.
Now I saw a little bit of the trailer which they did. It is really nice. They are themselves vibing to this song, and I'm vibing too. Like, okay, I just love Aram's hair. Like, okay, and taste in red. Okay, yeah. See all these looks nice.
We don't need permission to dance.
Whoa, I just love this. This is just the cutest thing. This is 3:57 now. There's a lot of it left. I don't know. I thought the song is over after this, because they do this kind of moves and stop when the song is over. I don't know why it's going on. Okay, let's see more. Okay, this was really good actually. So it's stopping for some time. Oh, the kids dance. Okay, that was in the trailer. Okay, permission to dance. Nice. So is it over? No, it's not. So they're gonna dance with everyone. Oh god, this is so good. Permission to dance. Oh god, this part is so cute, man. Like, they're dancing with army. Like, we don't need permission to dance. Like, okay, they did this kind of thing in Jeho in Chicken Noodle Soup. I think they did that, but here also they're doing it, right? Oh god, this is so nice actually. She did dance. I think there is winds voice is also coming like that from that. Background noises. It's total actual vibing. Oh god, this is so cute. Jimmy just yeeted his jacket like that in the end. My god, I just love Sugar here. Oh my god, and JK, my god. This was real cute, man. In the end, it was just the cutest thing ever when they danced like that. Okay, because we don't need permission to dance. Okay, I just gonna love da na 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 na. Okay, this is really fun. I'm going to stream it again. Obviously, this is really good song. Okay, this kind of a lyrics all and the music together was sounding so well together, and it's like this was real good one. Okay, it's really good. So if you like my reaction to this song, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it out the comment section.
With